Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nagar Beauty Box. In today's video I'm going to compare these two dryer, Revlon one, the brush one, and the regular Elchim blow dryer. So keep watching, that's why my hair is not done yet. I'm gonna compare it and I'm gonna show you the difference. Let's see what is written. The Revlon one is written 30% less frizz and 22% more shine. So we have to try it to see how it works. Let's tell you what I applied on my hair first. My first routine is the Sexy Hair, is a leave-in conditioner. I love it. And the Olaplex 6 for the ends, and Moroccan oil heat protector. You have to apply it to just make sure that you don't ruin your hair. Okay, let's start with the Elchim blowdry. It's one of my favorite blow dryer. Okay, as you see, I did the half of the hair and I'm going to use the Revlon one. Let's, before starting this part with Revlon, I compare the sounds of these two blow dries to see which one is louder. This is Elchim and now it's all done. This part is Revlon, this part is Elchim. Honestly, I love this one more. It's more shiny, no freezing, good texture. I like this one too, but Revlon I think won the competition. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please press the big thumbs up. And Revlon one I think is the best price for the quality. I'll put the link here for you for easy access. Thank you, see you soon.